Hello children, let's continue our first chapter. So children, kindly open your book, page number 19. Revise the Roman numerals. You have learnt these Roman numerals in earlier class, means in class 4. This is Roman numerals, this is Hindu-Arabic numerals. I means 1, P means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500, M means 1000. Then here some tables are given. Here 1 to 39 Roman numerals are given in your book. So you try to write up to 100 in Roman numerals. And turn the page. Some rules. Rule number 1. If a symbol is repeated in Roman numerals, then its value is added as many times as it occurs. Example, LXX means 50 plus 10 plus 10 is 70. Then LXX, triple X, 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equal to 80. No symbol is repeated more than 3 times. Then 2 number, if a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, then its value is added to the value of greater symbol. Example, LX means 50 plus 10 equal to 60. LXV, 50 plus 10 plus 5 equal to 65. Rule number 3. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of greater value, then its value is subtracted from the value of the greater symbol. Example, XL. Here X means children 10, L means 50. So X is smaller than L. So we subtracted here. 50 minus 10 is 40. XC. X means 10, C means 100. So X is smaller than C. So we subtracted here. 100 minus 10 is 90. Rule number 4. VLT can never be subtracted. 5. X can be subtracted from L and C only. 6. I can be subtracted from X and V only. 7. A smaller symbol can be subtracted from a greater symbol just one time. So children, you have to learn these rules. Then example 29. Write the following in Roman numerals. 49. 49 means children 40 plus 9. 40 means here you know XL. So here you write XL, then instead of 9 you write IX. Then 99. 99 means 90 plus 9. 90 means children here you know XC. So here you write XC, then instead of 9 you write IX. Then 74. 74 means children 70 plus 4. 70 means what you do? Let's see. 70 means children 50 plus 20 means 50 plus 10 plus 10. 50 means L, then 10 means XX. So 70 means LXX. Here LXX is written, then 4 means IV. Clear? Then comes to next example. Write the following in Hindu-Arabic numerals. LIX. LIX means children, L means 50, IX means 9, so 59. Then LXB double I. 50 plus 10 plus 7, 67. Then L triple X IV. 50 plus 10 plus 4 equal to 84. Clear? Okay. Then comes to exercise 1.6. Write the following numerals or numbers in Roman numerals. 6 means, children, you know, BI. 9 means IX. 20 means 10 plus 10 means double X. 25 means, children, 10 plus 10 plus 5. So X, X, V. 40. How you convert 40? Let's see. 40 means, children, 50 minus 10. Then you write XL because X is smaller than L as per our rules. So, next numbers you do yourself. This is your homework. Then comes to 2 number. Write the following in Hindu-Arabic numerals. Here Roman numerals are given. You have to write in Hindu-Arabic numerals. LXXIV. Just you put the number. L means 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4 means 50, 60, 70 plus 4 means 74. Then XCIX. X means, children, what? 10, 100, then IX. Here XC means, children, 90. Already you know. XC means 90. 100 minus 10, then 90. So 90, then V. V means what? Yes, 5. 95. Okay. Here 90 plus 9 IX is 9. So 99. Here 95. Clear? Like this you complete other numbers. Then 3 number is what? Write a number from 1 to 100 written in Roman numerals which uses maximum number or symbols. How is it written in Hindu-Arabic numerals? Already I told you, children, you have to first write 1 to 100 in Roman numerals. Then you see which uses maximum number of symbols. For 3 and 4, afterwards we discuss. See 5 number. Compare the following using greater than, smaller than or equal to. Here you convert first in Hindu-Arabic numerals. CIV means, children, what? 100. This one is 4. 104. So 104 and 56. So here you put what symbol? Yes, greater than. Greater than symbol you put like this. B, C, D, E. You solve yourself. Okay, children. So your homework is 5. This 2 and 1. Your homework. Okay, children. Thank you.